Yeah, this time is just me. YouTube just called me a machine. Today I'm going to show you why this is not a coincidence. This is an important discussion. The matrix is being built right in front of our eyes. But the truth is, we are building it by ourselves. It's called optimization. And today I'm gonna show you how we can break out of it. YouTube labeled my channel as automated, so it stopped showing it to you. I prefer my cat avatar. I have to manually lip sync his mouth movements just to stay away from automatic detection. And it's fun for me. I honestly think you like the cat explaining things more than you would like my face. My tutorials I'm doing by myself. So today let's talk about what's really going on, even the stuff that doesn't make me look good. Things are not going well at all. Digital slavery is advancing quietly and politely. RAM and GPU prices are rising, so you can't afford your own AI. Everything is supposed to move to the cloud under full control. I repeat, you are supposed to be controlled. Look at Sony. They're taking away physical game releases. The new console won't even have a disk drive. Why? Physical copies create a second-hand market. You can lend them, sell them, keep them forever. Digital versions? They can revoke your access at any moment, change the price. Numbers? They are easy to predict, and they want you to make you a number in the sales table. It's exact same story with cash. Cash gives people too much freedom. You can buy something without anyone knowing, you can save it outside the system, you can pass it to someone without trace. Governments and big banks hate it. They want a fully cashless society because then every single transaction can be tracked. Total visibility and total control. Mythos Fable 5. The US government can block it anytime. The filters are so strict that you can get flagged even for asking about basic medicine for a cold. AI is for the elites. They stacked every move you make, everything you watch, everything you listen to. The algorithm steers you while making you believe it's personalized for your tastes. The reality is that you are trapped in an information bubble. If a big corporation uses AI heavily, no problem. But if you start using it too much and independently, they will silence you. Just like in communism. You get money, but there is nothing real you can buy with it. It's an illusion. We see it. We complain online, but almost nobody does anything real about it. Back to my story with automated channel flag. I appealed. I wrote exactly what I just told you. AI reply: your channel is automated, case closed. I tried 3 times with proof and real camera footage. Same robotic answer, word for word. Nobody reads a single thing I wrote. The machine called me a machine, with no way to reach a human. AI for them, not for you. Know your place. Now, on the other side, I'm not going to pretend the machine was crazy to be suspicious. It wasn't. There is a flood of garbage out there and we all see it. The issue is that algorithms detecting this content are way too aggressive. They don't distinguish between mass-produced slop and genuine handmade work. If you use AI as a tool, they throw you into the same bag as people who create actual spam content for profit. The problem with my channel started when I use music from Suno in the background. Suno leaves a watermark in the frequencies. Now, music channels gets flagged as mass-produced even if you wrote your own lyrics, create many versions, refined fragments. The algorithm treats it the same as someone using an agent that spits out 2 tracks a day on autopilot based on the weather or something random. The same thing happens to a real person who wrote the script and speaks to the camera. They treat it as mass content just because Suno is playing in the background and the watermark did its job. The algorithm is fucked and fundamentally broken. A camera didn't kill painting, it created photography. Every time a powerful new tool lands in regular people's hands, the gatekeepers scream that it's the end of real art. The slob farms get all the headlines, but that's not who I actually see using the stuff. I see many creative people doing good work. So even now, flag, buried, I would say learn this stuff. Fuck the corporations and learn open source. Open source may not be the frontier level yet, but it still gives you freedom. With open source you can understand how things really work. So what I'm actually angry about? That automated label couldn't tell who is a slob farm and who is writing every word himself. It buried us both. The platform even admitted it wasn't anti-AI at all. It was just a spam filter swinging blind. If you need help, you get an AI bot. When you appeal, you get an AI bot. But when you make something with AI, they tag your work and bury it. AI for them, flags for you. Don't own the model, don't own the machine, don't own the game, the song or the file. Just rent everything and behave. And if you get loud, under the rug you go. We are heading towards the world when you will be judged and controlled just to have access to anything. That's the real fight. Forget AI good, AI bad. The real question is, who owns it? That's why I'm doing all the hard stuff, teaching ComfUI, dealing with GPUs, to stay independent. That's the whole reason I built druidcat.com. Most models on druidcat.com are open, like Krea 2, trained only on real photographs, the most realistic open image model I've tested, one for video, L-takes for amazing cinematic results. Try them in your browser tonight. No monster GPU, no install, no subscriptions, no chains. A closed tool is something you are allowed to use until you're not. And open source models, you can go on my Patreon on Gumroad and download the install scripts. I love making these videos with cat avatar. And I have no problem showing my face. The algorithm forced me, so am I already a slave? The cat will be back. Alright, my Fiverr is wide open again, so if you want me to teach you open source, just order a lesson. We can build something big. I've already helped a lot of people. Go to druidcat.com and try the open source models. Thanks for staying until the end. See you soon. Hey!